Thank you for joining us today. This is Juan Rodriguez from Axiom Data, and today's topic is how to unleash the power of your website so that you can generate more sales and be more creative in your marketing efforts. As you can see, most websites look alike. They're just a way to present information about your business. But what you're about to see is an engine that allows you to actually go beyond what you see on this particular website. As an example, we're using the International Association of Microsoft Channel Partners for SoCal, California North chapter. And what you're seeing is their website, but I'm going to show you behind the scenes of what powers this particular website. After logging in inside our portal, you will see many different things. You are going to see a dashboard that tells you how many visits, your sales, inquiries, forums, events, secure logins, and things that are happening on your current site. From there, you can actually go to the site manager and you will be able to edit every single page right on the spot. So I'm actually going to pages, and let's say I'm going to edit my home page. I can actually go inside the home page and it brings me a WYSIWYG editor where I can actually see and implement anything about this site, including SEO information that I had to put in about this particular site, and if I want that site to or that page to be on the search engines. As you can see, I can actually implement a lot of modules inside the page, and once I'm ready to actually view this particular page, I will hit preview right on the bottom, and what this is going to do is it's going to give you the look of that particular page. If we go back in here, I have the capability of implementing multiple templates, so I'm not actually having the same look every single time. So I can create multiple looks as I please. You can see things like changing the menu. So if I go to the template primary in here, I'm able to actually create my own menu on the spot, and then I can preview that menu and I can see that particular menu actually showing up on the different areas in here. If we look in here, leadership, board of directors, committee, and so on. And that's exactly what I actually see in this particular areas in here. I can disable or enable things. In terms of forms, I can create as many forms for bookings, for contact information, creating an account, newsletter, and so on. I have the capabilities of actually seeing all my files, all the images, everything that I'm actually putting inside the website so that my website is always up to date. Other amazing capabilities are secure zones. So you will be able to actually have your website with the login area where your clients can actually log in and see files or consume content. We have site searches, emails that actually tell people what to do on the spot, and so on. We can also create web apps that are specific for you. So as you can see the home slider, if I go inside the home slider, these are the different areas that I've actually created. So if I go to partner for growth, I can see in here that I can actually upload image, put a caption, put some information so that when I'm actually on the site, I can just see those slides actually show up as I please. So you can see there's actually currently 3 slides that are actually rotating, which are part of that particular special homepage slider web app. And we can be as creative as we want in there. Then we also have multiple modules that are integrated in the system, and the beauty of the system is that you don't have to upgrade or update anything, which in most cases, if you're using WordPress, you would have to actually do updates and plugin updates and so on. In here, everything is actually updated for you. So we have blogs, events, photo galleries, news, media downloads, comments, frequently asked questions, ad rotators, and so on. Those you can actually customize and make them visible as you please. So I'm give you an example of the event area. You can see that everything that is actually put inside there is actually inside the different event module that was actually put inside here. They also power with the full CRM system where you can actually see your customers, orders, opportunities, forecasting, event bookings, and so on. E-commerce is one of the most powerful areas of this portal. In here, you'll be able to see product catalogs, products, affiliate programs, and all that incorporating gateway payments from all the different major vendors out there like Authorize.net, tax codes, shopping settings, and things like that. But what about if on top of this, for your sales marketing efforts, you can also do all your email marketing and email campaigns directly from the same system? So if I look inside here and I look at this particular campaign, I can see exactly how many people have actually opened this campaign, or I can just create a new campaign or see and preview the content that actually went out via email to all the different recipients. I can test, I can create multiple mailing lists, and so on. On top of that, we have all the reporting available, web forms, e-commerce, email campaigns, but on top of that, we have the capability of having multiple domains in one place, 10 accounts come with a system, multiple administrators, manage your workflow. So if you don't want someone to actually update the site, you can actually put it through an approval process, and that way you can actually get it approved once it's done. CAPTCHA, social integration, site billing, security features are all some of the things that are incorporated in the system. But on top of this, if you are actually used to working on HTML and CSS, we can actually switch into development mode where we can actually just see every single content as it's needed for us to create a site. So if I go back to my manage area, I can see that if I go back to my site and preview that site, I'm going to actually be able to see things like a vendor search fully implemented with a map and all the different vendors that are actually part of this. We can see sponsorships. We can see a gallery of pictures that are coming in. We can implement blogs. We can implement news. We can implement membership, registration, pictures of your team, benefits, about us, and the sky is the limit because we have a full potential to use Liquid in this site, so therefore we can actually customize the site in any way. But the best of all is that you have the power to actually modify and add pages or create things as you need on a simple format. For more information, contact us at 818-396-3519. My name is Juan Rodriguez from Axiom Data, and I hope you had an amazing day.